morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Happy third day of Vlogidays. I almost said Vlogtober. So let's jump right into this video. So we just had some breakfast. I made pancakes, just regular pancakes, and sausage and bacon. And before actually it was during when I was cooking the pancakes, like in between, I mopped the floors finally, and I feel so much more better. Today I feel a whole lot better. I don't feel like stressed out. I don't feel anxious. My OCD is like very calm today, and I mopped the floors and it feels so much more better. It feels clean in the house. Actually, the floors really feel good because I did sections of the house while I mopped, and then I pretty much mopped those sections twice with the floor cleaner that I use, and then after that I just mopped every section with water, because if I don't do that, it'll like leave a sticky residue. We don't like that. So it feels really nice. I usually wear slippers, and right now I'm taking off my slippers so that way I could feel the floor. It feels really nice. So now I am going to be putting away some clothes because I did laundry a few days ago and then I had folded that, and I did not get a chance to put it away. So I'm gonna actually start in my kids' room. I have to put away quite a bit of their clothes, and then I will migrate to my room. And then I have like a lot of laundry that I have to do. I don't know what happened. I was trying to keep up with the laundry for like 2 days. I was doing little loads of laundry, and then all of a sudden it just like blew up and I have a lot of clothes to do. And I think it's mainly my fiance's work clothes, and then just our regular colored clothes. I'm not sure if we have a lot of whites, but we will see, because even though we have like a divider laundry basket, the whites and the colored still gets mixed up sometimes. So once I'm done putting away clothes, I will assess like all of our dirty clothes and see how much I have of each. So let's jump right to that. So I am in my kids' room, and I'm using my big tripod after how many months of not using it. And I'm in here, I'm about to put away their clothes, and I'm assessing the tops of their dressers, and it's really cluttered. So I think I'm gonna need to buy some like little mini drawers to go on top of here, because this is kind of cluttered for me. Even on my son's the top of his dresser is really cluttered, and it's bothering the heck out of me. And I also need to find something that I can hide the internet the internet modem, because for some reason the internet connection, like for the wiring, is in the kids' room. So I need to find something that I can hide that. I don't know what I'm gonna have to like think about it, because we're gonna go to Target like later tonight. We have to buy some like decorations, well, not decorations, but like balloons for my son's birthday, and I'm gonna make him a cake. So we're gonna go on a Target run tonight. So since we're gonna go to Target tonight, I'm gonna try and find the things that I want to buy to make this a little bit more neater on the tops of their dressers. It's really bothering me. When I find the things that I want to find, then later I will touch the tops of their dressers. For now, I'm not going to touch them because I'm just going to get more stressed out. So I'm just going to focus on their laundry. And I just noticed that I have these on top of their rocking chair. So I have to go through that, because I don't really like this rocking chair have like so much clutter on it. So I have to go through that afterwards. Yeah, I just have been putting that off as you can see.
So while I was putting away my daughter's clothes in her dresser, I soon to find out that the top of her drawer in her dresser was just really unorganized, really cluttered. So I just took the time here to reorganize it, and then later I also reorganized my son's first 2 drawers in his dresser as well. So after I was done reorganizing my daughter's top drawer of her dresser, my son came in and wanted to hang out with me, and he was my biggest helper of all while I was putting away their clothes and hanging up their clothes. He was really adorable. Actually, I have been wanting to reorganize and declutter their dressers for a while now. It just took me this long to actually do it, and I'm glad that I did. It feels like so nice and neat that all of like my son's shorts are in one section and his pants are in one section, and then his top of his dresser was also getting like very decluttered, his first drawer. So right here you see me helping my son put on his raincoat. He really wanted me to put his raincoat on, so that is what I did. He is so cute, you guys. He was bugging me like the whole time that I was reorganizing his 2 drawers of his dresser, so I just finally put it on him. So after I was done reorganizing my kids' dressers and putting away their clothes, I reorganized their closet a little bit before I hung up their clothes that needed to be hung in their closet.
It's almost Christmas.
I'm trying to get this on.
I got my Christmas stuff. Before I forget, I'm gonna take it out of their closet. I had stored this in their closet when it was remodeling and I never took it out of their closet, so I'm gonna do that now. So I am sitting on my son's bed. I put away all of their clothes and I reorganized some of their clothes in their drawers. It always gets messy every few months, so it felt nice to reorganize them, make them clean and neat again. And then I have like those two laundry baskets that I have to put away. I'm going to sort out our clothes though first before I migrate into our room to put away my and my fiance's clothes. I think I need to sit here for a little bit. My back was hurting, that's why I was sitting on the stool when I was putting and organizing their drawers. My back was hurting after I had mopped the floor. Got a little back pain. So my daughter's still asleep. I checked on her and she is still miraculously asleep. I think it's because she didn't really sleep good last night. She woke up like around 2 or 3 wanting some milk, and then she didn't really go back down to bed, like it was on and off. And so she's taking a much needed nap. My son actually just fell asleep right now on the recliner, so that is also good because he needs a nap. Poor boy, he is so stubborn on naps. I just got done putting my last load of laundry in the washer, and I just got done cleaning the stovetop. Also, I just like quickly cleaned off the grease from the stovetop. I didn't really like deep clean it because we are going to cook tomorrow. And I don't know if we're gonna start cooking today, like prepare certain foods. So I just figured since we're gonna cook more, I might as well wait until I have to like really deep clean it. So the house feels really clean. Earlier, I had to take a break from cleaning because my back was really hurting. I don't know, my back has been hurting for the past few days. I think it's because it's been getting like a whole lot colder. And I noticed like in my hands, my joints and my hands will just hurt in the winter time, and my back will also. So I had to take like a 15 to 25 minute break. Actually, I had to have my fiance put on some Tiger Balm on my back because it was just really hurting. And then I had to sit at the recliner to use the heating pad, and I always forget we have this heating pad, and it's like the best heating pad ever because it also like vibrates with the heat, so it really helped my back. It doesn't hurt as much. So I was going to plan on putting my clothes away, but my daughter is still sleeping in our room, and I don't want to go in there and to disturb her. Like, she's been sleeping for like an hour and a half, going 2 hours, and I'm that type of parent that doesn't really like wake up their kids when they're taking a nap. I just let them nap however long they want, because I noticed that my kids, when they nap for how many hours or minutes they want, they still manage to burn out their energy before bed, so it doesn't mess up their bed schedule. They still go to bed at a reasonable time, and that's usually around like 7 to 8 o'clock. My daughter goes down to bed relatively earlier than my son, so that's why I said 7 to 8, because she goes down to bed first and then my son will go down to bed like an hour after. So I just let them sleep. So maybe I want some tea. I got some tea last night when me and my fiance went to Lucky to do like a quick grocery shopping. So maybe I'll make some tea. I got some like chai tea, so I'm gonna make tea, and then I'll just relax a little bit more before I have to get back into cleaning. I am like really cleaning today because tomorrow is my son's birthday, so I want everything to be nice and neat, and I don't have to worry about anything else but his birthday. So that is why I'm like in a real cleaning mode right now. But I'm gonna make some tea right now and enjoy some quiet time to myself. So I just got done editing today's video. I didn't really do much after I had some tea. I was in a big cleaning mode today. I hope my cleaning mode helped you be motivated for cleaning today. I'm gonna end the video here because I'm gonna go to bed. I'm really tired. It's actually almost 10 o'clock. I want to get up not early but fairly early to prepare for my son's birthday tomorrow. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet, or if you are new, please consider subscribing before you leave. Your love and your support really means a lot to me, you guys. It really does. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.